Not.
Well, you still can't put it through your hand right in there. It's gonna.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, just hold it where it's like, where it's warm, but not. You hear it sizzling?
Yeah. Fire.
Is that a good squeeze? Is it all gone?
Or we could put it up here.
You could probably do that.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, my apple.
Why'd you do that?
I didn't know it was metal.
Okay.
If it was plastic, it would have been melted in your hand by now.
Okay, yeah, you gotta put. What's that? I'm just getting tired.
Put it back over there, as if you rest it. Rest.
I want
Shake it.
Daddy.
You can't hold it at that angle either. It's
I
got to be
want
flat.
Daddy.
You can watch right from right where you are, William. James. Say, excuse me.
I want Daddy.
I think you have to do a little faster than that.
James, you get your butt back in that seat. Get your butt back in the seat.
I think he wants to sit with
No,
you.
come here and sit with me then. Come here.
Look at William.
Yeah, look at William. Can I get a kiss?
William, do you want me to do that?
No.
You smoke and put it back in there slow.
But don't put it in the fire. Just put it on.
What's this note?
What's supposed to steam?
That's what cooks it, man.
Steam. That one?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe.
We'll see. There's another one in there just in case this one fails. Yeah.
Test one.
It's going. Come on, it's starting to.
Once it starts, it's.
This keeps leaking through the glove.
Why don't you switch hands?
I just did.
Oh.
What's that?
Okay, it's been 2 minutes. 3 minutes.
How long does it take?
About 10 minutes.
For real?
No.
This is workout.
I'll be strong as
You look like Arnold Schwarzenegger when you're done.
Look, Daddy. Wait,
Yes,
what
that
did you
is
say
smoke.
if something swings on fire?
Hmm?
Okay, you said if what swings on fire, if what catches on fire, fling it.
The myth.
Smoke up there on the house.
But don't fling it in grass.
Look at smoke up
Do you want me to do it, William?
No, I got this.
Yeah, the smoke's going up in the sky.
Look how black that is.
That's from that pond log.
I'm sorry.
That wasn't a.
Alright, it's been almost 4 minutes.
Look at that smoke left in
You
the
do it.
sky.
Alright, come here. Videotape it.
Don't set it on the. It was, good grief, man. Set it over there.
It's,
Set it down there. It's fine.
Alright, you try. It's hot, isn't it? Look at William. Look at Mommy. Is it puffing up?
It's sizzling. I can hear it sizzling when you put it down.
No, you sit right there. You're not going to get in the chair right now. Wait till Mommy's done. Wait till Mommy's done. Good form, honey.
Form. Whatever.
You've made popcorn before. Hey, we're gonna wait till Mommy's done.
It's still not popping up.
It's sizzling.
Put it up on the flame. No, like on the grid, the grate. There you go. No, but we're gonna wait till Mommy's done. We're gonna wait till Mommy's done.
Oh, there it goes. It's popping.
Lucky. It's not there.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
It's like the most burned popcorn ever.
It will be. There's a lot in there. Is it getting hot?
It's probably good, baby.
Think? Hasn't fully expanded yet, though.
It's gonna cook it. It's better to have some that's good than all that's bad. Okay, it's gotta keep cool down.
When it makes a popping sound, is it going on?
Yeah. It's probably good to.
Mm-hmm.
We'll probably stop recording now.
Hold on.
What's that?
Get
Is
your
that a
machete
foot?
out. Oh, why are you touching it?
Okay.
God.
Keep rolling.
That's my foot.
It's a cold foot.
I know what to do.
That's my foot.
Okay.
Restart!
James.
That fire. It's that
Mm-hmm. Are you wanting some popcorn?
Look my appetite.
You ate it.
That was smart.
What was smart?
Is it burned?
No.
It's not?
No.
Oh, I swore it was going to be burned. Oh, it's good popcorn. Wait, I don't have the... Oh, there it is. Look at the popcorn.
Hallelujah.
You wanna see
Good
the
job,
popcorn?
William.
Let's eat.
Stand up
I
right
see
there.
little
Here we go.
popcorn. I like them.
It's
You want a
good.
piece of popcorn?
Good.
There.
Here you go.
Hey, James.
Ken.
Oh, yeah.
Mommy.
Sure.
That's delicious popcorn.
Good job.
Thank you. No, okay. No,
If we're ever out in the woods, stranded somewhere, we know we can make popcorn.